Shri Bharat Bhushan Gupta, Principal, Bal Bhavan Public School, Mayur, Bihar. Starting his career as a teacher in 1983, Shri Gupta has demonstrated good teaching skills, excellent results in curricular, co-curricular activities and sport.
It is a proud moment for all the Bal Bhavanites that Principal Sir Shri B.B. Gupta has been conferred upon with CBSE State Teachers Award. He has been an inspirer, a mentor for all his students throughout his career. His dedication and devotion towards his work has always motivated me to do good. The way he deals with the students and their problems is really exemplary. For him, work is worship. And I am proud to say that I am a Bal Bhavanite.
The man with utmost values, discipline, and who always believes in goodness before greatness. He has remained the backbone for the school for the past 4 decades, and yet he is a kind teacher. He has always guided the students so that they reach the pinnacle of their life, and he has always provided a platform where they can nurture their talent. And I am really grateful that I have Shri B.B. Gupta as the principal of my school.
Our principal sir, Mr. B.B. Gupta. What can I say about him? He is an epitome of discipline, knowledge and values. He has been successful for past 45 years to maintain this temple of knowledge. He imparts us with education and moral guidance.
September 2012 is another glorious day in the history of Bal Bhavan Public School when our principal sir has been awarded with CBSE State Award. One more jewel is added in the crown of Bal Bhavan Parivar. Words are not enough to describe the excellent blend of academics and environment awareness that the principal sir has given in our school. He is our true mentor and guide. He always says, if you are a good student, then only you can be a good teacher and a good human being. According to him, keep a learning attitude in your life, then nobody can stop you to achieve success. So at last, I give all my wishes to Bal Bhavan Parivar for rising to glory each day.
received this honor because of the system of education being provided by the chairman of the school. I am thankful to him for his guidance, for his supervision as well, and the faculty of the school for their contribution in the progress of the institution. I am also thankful to the students of the school for their performances, for their achievements, and because of that reason, today I was in position to get this honor from CBSE. I am thankful and grateful to all of them. Today it was just like a Deepavali for me. As soon as I entered into the school premises, I have been honored by the tiny tots of my school and the elders as one. One and all felicitated me like anything. I feel myself in debt to all of them. I am really thankful and grateful to all of them for their contribution and hoping that the same manner I'll get it in future as well. I am also thankful to the CBSE for acknowledging and appreciating my contribution, my effort, and because of that, this award has been conferred upon me. I am thankful to one and all the Bal Bhavanites for their contribution, for their appreciation, for their cooperation and coordination as well. Thank you very much.